Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to be discussing how you can set up goals so that you can tell if your site visitors are taking the action that you want them to take when they're on your site. Now to set up your goals, you're going to go to the Admin tab. And then you're going to come to the right side panel and you're going to click Goals. Now what you're going to do is you're going to start by clicking New Goal. And then initially, you're going to see a number of templates. So the setup will already be basically done for you for these kinds of goal setups. So in this particular case, if you want to know whether or not your site visitors are actually following through and making a payment, you can use the existing template for that goal setup. You can use it for reservations or making an appointment or any of these other factors. These are preset templates that Google will give you in order for you to set up your goals. Now, the other way to set up goals will be to set up a custom goal. And when you do that, you're going to click Continue. And you're going to give that goal a description. And you're going to ID this as your first goal. Now, there are 4 types of goals that you can actually set. One is whether or not a person actually makes it to a particular page. That's a destination goal. Another is a duration goal. In other words, does a person spend a certain amount of time on a particular page? The third is number of pages on your site that a person has visited, and that is a page or screen per session goal. And the other is an event, such as did someone play a video or did they take some kind of action. Whenever you decide which goal that you are going to set, you can actually check the box and click Destination. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to use one of the existing templates for setting a payment. And that means then that we'll click New Goal. And then we'll determine whether or not someone has actually made a payment, and we'll set that as our goal. And we're going to click Continue. Now, to determine that, we're going to reason that a person had to have made our thank you page. And we're going to set that as our destination goal, and we're going to click Continue. Now what we're going to do is we're going to place in here our thank you page, because if a person makes our thank you page, we'll know then that they have made the payment. Now Google Analytics will track the monetary value of every time somebody actually reaches this page by coming to our site. We can turn this on by putting in a dollar amount. Now if we want to track activity through an entire funnel, if we are requiring our visitors to go through all of the steps of a particular funnel, we can actually set that up in this section, and we can place it there by creating steps. So at the first page of the funnel, we can create a step, we can create a second step, and a third step. However many steps we have in the funnel, we can determine how much of our content that our visitors are experiencing before they drop out of the process. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the funnel for now, and then we're going to click Save this goal. And so now we have set our first goal. So all you'll need to do is to go to this goal area, determine whether or not you're going to use one of the templates. If you're not, use one of the custom templates, and then decide what kind of goal that you want to set and how you want to track it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.